Hello, in this video I will show you how you can create site inspection reports with Site Report Builder. First, you'll need video clips with your voiceover, narrated video clips, which you capture during site visit, like these ones. They can be short, 5-10 seconds. Check this one.
Remove drywall and install putty packs at electrical boxes.
Or this one.
Unit 103, remove bad insulation and spray foam box joists.
Now you can select few files. Let's choose 4 video clips and upload to Site Report Builder. This is a demo tool and it allows you to upload up to 5 files. If you need more, just create a free account and that will allow you to upload dozens of files. On this step you can check screenshots, watch video if you want, and rearrange files. So that is how they will show up in your report. On the next step we choose date and time of site visit and add details like report number, address of the project, trade on sites, and who conducted inspection. Click generate report and within 10 seconds your report should be ready. Yeah, it's done. Title and description were created based on the transcription, on the narration of the file. You can edit if you want, add more information if you want. You can edit it with you can edit description with artificial intelligence, shorten or expand or elaborate or rephrase. You can watch video again if you want to compare this description with what you said during site visit. If you need to add more screenshots, just click on add photo. If all is good, sign report. You can add a header which will show up in your report. It might include company logo, company name, and address. Report is ready and now we can upload it. Download it. Here we go. You can download a report as PDF or doc file. So all is done. There are few other tools which are locked for guest users, but you can unlock them if you just create a free account. It's translation, which allows you to translate your reports to other languages. Copy paste, share, notes, quite useful tool, allows you to add text or audio notes. Ask AI gives you access to ChatGPT. That's it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please send a message to support@sitereportbuilder.com or use this chat, and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Bye.